If your 2018 Ram truck or older is not giving you a great AC put out, it's not feeling very cold, this is a really simple way of getting that taken care of, and it's something you can easily do from your home. You're going to get one of these AC bottles. Make sure you get one with the gauge on it. You're going to go into your car, you're going to turn your car on, and you want to turn it as cold as you can get it. AC is going to be on. You want to make sure you have it circling internally inside your car. And what you want to do, you're going to go open up your engine, and you're going to see this little tiny cap. This gives you access to the AC line. And this is going to be on the left side of your engine. And then what you're going to do is connect the nozzle. You're going to just pull up the flange, and that is going to then connect it. Make sure you jiggle it. You'll see it come down like that. That's how you know it is fully connected. On the gauge, you're going to see it's going to show how much refrigerant's in there. You got your, obviously, the red side where you got too much, you got the too low. I wanted to get it around 50 and keep it at the peak green, right before it gets into the red area. So once you have that set up there, you're going to unlock the nozzle. You're going to twist that to unlock it. And then when you squeeze it, they say read the instructions carefully, but it says to squeeze and shake it at the same time. So you're going to squeeze them in, shake it, squeeze and shake at the same time. I mean, I didn't do it perfectly here, but you could see when you push it, it shows it goes all the way to the top of the red because you're pushing it in. But then you're going to look and see where it settles back down to give you an idea of how much fluid you've got in there. It warns you not to do too much, right? You don't want to go over. So again, follow the instructions, but they're pretty simple. You just keep shaking it, squirting it, shaking, squirting. I mean, this wasn't a new truck for me, but I mean, I put the entire bottle in, and I never went past the green when I was doing it. And then once you're done, you go ahead, you're going to lock the top back on the AC bottle. Then you're going to disconnect the bottle from the AC line from your car. Don't forget to put the gray cap back on. Make sure it's on tight. And then I just had my car run for about another 10 minutes. I kind of revved up the engine a little bit. Just made sure all the AC was back in, just cycling through the whole thing, and it was definitely noticeably different. I'd say probably 10-15 degrees cooler at its coolest setting